Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to be installing this case on my Samsung Galaxy S9 tablet, and I'll also be giving my review of this case. And before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions, and make sure that you read through all of the information and warnings that are on the case and any information or warnings that are inside of the case. And so this tablet, I just bought this tablet, and this tablet is 11 inches, and I bought this case separately for this tablet. I have a previous video where I unboxed this tablet, and also a different video where I put a screen protector on this tablet, and I'll link those two videos at the end of this one, and if you're interested and have time, please check those videos out. Okay, I'm going to get you, before I open up the packaging here, I'm going to get you guys a closer look at the packaging. Okay, so I'm going to open up packaging now. And okay, initial thoughts, I like the feeling of the case. It has like a soft feel to it. I don't know what that is, but it feels soft. So, okay, and I feel there's like some magnetic force here when I open and close the case. So be aware of that. Make sure you're careful because there are pinch points. Oh, they gave some stickers inside. And I'm just gonna get rid of the... And with the packaging, make sure that you recycle what you can and dispose of the rest properly. Okay, so just gonna set this here. And it's got a spot right here for the pen, is what it looks like. And it can also, you know, I don't know personally how much I trust, you know, the things here. Like if I have my tablet in here, I don't know, you know, if I personally trust that. I don't think I would be using it like this, but it does have like some areas to turn the case into a stand if you decide to trust it. So, okay. Okay, and then I'm just gonna lift this up so you guys can see what's behind here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this side of the tablet into the case first. And I'm just being careful because there are metal pieces right here and I don't want those to, you know, scratch or hurt the tablet. So I'm putting this side in first and then just kind of sliding it, you know, this direction as much as I can. It's not a whole lot, but just trying to get it to fit in there. And then it's a pretty snug fit. So I'm just kind of gently, you know, trying to flex the case a little bit, just enough to allow the tablet to fit in there. And just be careful because there are pinch points. And there we go, I got that corner in. There we go. And just making sure, gently, just making sure that the tablet is seated all the way into the case. Okay, so the S Pen can fit right here. Just be careful because there are pinch points. Just like that. And then to get the S Pen out, right here, there's a spot to be able to gently push the pen upwards like this, and then be able to take the pen out. And that's why when I put the pen in there, I had this button facing upwards, just so when I try to push the pen out, I'm not pressing that button. And then just going to gently shut the case and turn it over. Okay, on this side of the case, there is a cutout in the case right here. That way the S Pen can be attached to the tablet so the S Pen can charge. And when you do this, you want to be careful because there are pinch points, and you also want to be aware that there is a magnetic force. Okay, and I'm just going to place the flat side of the S Pen towards the tablet, and the button on the S Pen is facing upwards right now. And now the S Pen is attached to the tablet. And now I'm going to remove the S Pen, and when you do this, you want to be careful because there are pinch points, and you also want to be aware that there is a magnetic force. This part of the case, I don't know how to explain it, but it's a different material than this part of the case. This part is soft. This part, it just has a different feel. I don't know exactly what this is, but this part is like soft to the touch, and this part, it has a more, you know, it just has a different feel to it. But then I'm going to shut the case here, and you know, all the different buttons and everything seem to line up. Okay, so here's my review of this case. I like this case, and I like how the case feels soft on this side. And I like how the case, you know, opens and closes magnetically. You know, just be careful because there are pinch points. I don't think that I will use these just because I don't trust it. And I also don't think I really have a reason to use that in this way. So I won't use this case as a stand like that. I like how the pen has a spot to fit inside of the case. I like the look of this case, you know, overall. And I like how the tablet fits into the case. You just want to be careful because there are metal pieces right here. So when you're putting the tablet into the case, you want to be careful because it is a snug fit, that you don't scratch your tablet on these metal pieces or on anything else. You just want to take your time and be careful. And then I also like how on the back of the case, you know, the area is cut out of the case, so, you know, I'm able to charge the S Pen, you know, on the camera area. You know, everything seems to match up well with the case. And I just like the overall look of this case. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.